Do you know many people are having trouble with one side of their Melnor 93100 timer not shutting off? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check valve screen. Check the valve screen in the app and select the valve that is not shutting off. Step 2. Activate watering delay. Activate the watering delay switch to turn it on. Step 3. Set delay duration. Set the duration for the watering delay period and tap OK. Step 4. Activate Eco Mode. Consider activating Eco Mode to create a 1-minute pause for every 3 minutes of watering. Step 5. Ensure password protection. Ensure your device is password protected to prevent unauthorized access. Step 6. Remove timer during freezing. Remove the timer during freezing temperatures to prevent damage. By following these steps, you should now be able to resolve the issue of one side of your Melnor 93100 timer not shutting off. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Melnor users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.